Hey everybody, Rogers Motor Cars. Today we are showing you this 1979 Jeep J-20. Beautiful frame off restoration. I sold this truck to a good customer about a year ago, almost exactly a year ago. And we've done a lot of horse trading over the years and got it back. So I'm real happy about it. He did make a few changes. I'm gonna go over everything. But this was a frame off restored truck, and the chassis was sandblasted and coated and painted. It's really nice. I'm going to get some pictures once we get it on the lift, but all that looks great. The engine was taken out and totally rebuilt by Javier's here in Houston. If you're in the off-road world or Land Cruiser, Broncos, Blazers, anything like that, you probably know who Javier is. You can look him up. Amazing shop. He tore it all the way down, ported, polished, and decked the block and little cam. It's got an ABS2 carb on it, runs great, fires right up, no issues at all running, no leaks. The transmission is a TH400, and it was also rebuilt recently. We have the receipts for both of those things. The suspension lift on this is a Skyjacker 4-inch soft ride suspension. Got Dana 60 axles in the back, Dana 40 axles in the front. These are brand new Mickey Thompson Baja Legend tires. Here we go. And the front bumper was custom made. It was shaved to fit these body lines, custom fabricated and all powder coated. Brand new Warren winch. It's got a wireless remote that you can operate it from inside the truck. Really cool. This paint, by the way, let me talk about this paint. This is Sunset Orange Metallic. It's a GM color, and it is amazing. The paint job is stunning. Try to get some of that sparkle. It's just amazing. And this truck did win in 2024 at Autorama first place. So I think it was a pre-88 class, pre-88 truck class, but it did win first place. We have that plaque in the board that went along with it. Nice big tubular rear bumper, looks great. Take a quick peek under here, dual exhaust, Black Widow rear end. Take a look inside, a lot of cool stuff going on in here. Custom interior, headliner looks great. Everything works, all the lights, all the gauges are working. Really nice sound system. There's a subwoofer behind the seat. All diamond speakers, diamond amp. Really, really good. Dash is painted to match. That's a Nardo steering wheel. Does have a vintage AC system. Works really well. That's the remote for the winch. And let me hop in here. We'll take a look here. Open this up, and we've got the aftermarket radio. It does have a rear camera, and that is the switch, the vacuum switch for 4-wheel drive. All of that is functioning as it was new. All these gauges work. We can crank this thing up. Oh, it sounds so good. Dual exhaust. I love the way these doors shut too. They're just so solid. Really, really nice. Very clean interior, all new carpet and everything. Set this down. Try to get back here. There's your subwoofer right there. I'm gonna go to the hood and, first of all, let's do this. Power windows, just like that, up and down. These are the new Relic power windows. So you just push that up and they go up and down. Of course, that's to open the door. Open the door, and that's for the windows. Very cool truck. Probably the nicest J-20 ever built. Let's take a look in here real quick. There we go. Okay. Very nice, built like a show truck. J-20 up there. Air horns. Aluminum radiator, that's the March pulley system. Electric fans, power brakes. It does have Willwood disc brakes all the way around. as well as an electric Willwood electric e-brake, emergency brake. There's a switch inside. You just turn the switch and it locks down the emergency brake. Brand new Odyssey battery here. All chromed out too. It's just really well done. Looks great under here. There we go. Beautiful truck all the way around. This video's getting a little long, but I want to kind of show everything. Give us a call, text, email. We will respond quickly. We can ship this to you anywhere in the country. If you need financing, we do have options available. Sitting nice and level there. If you have your own financing, no problem. So I hope to get a deal on this one soon. Give me a call. If you want some extra videos, anything special, let me know. Call, text, email. Hit the like button, subscribe to us. Hope to hear from you soon on this one. Thanks for watching.